Now before talking about circles, let me give you a little review. If the equation of the circle is in this format, fx plus gy plus h constant equal to 0, then the center is going to be the coefficient of x divided by minus 2 and the coefficient of y divided by minus 2, and the radius would be square root of x coordinate of the center, which is f by minus 2 whole squared, y coordinate of the center g by minus 2 whole squared, and minus the constant which we have here. So question number A is find the center of the circle, which is A, and the equation of the circle is given. So this is going to be center equals to the coefficient of x is minus 10, so it will be minus 10 divided by minus 2, and the coefficient of y, there is no coefficient of y, so it is 0, so 0 divided by minus 2. So this is going to be 5, 0, that's the center. Question number B, they ask for the radius of the circle. So radius equals to square root of x coordinate of the center whole squared, y coordinate of the centered whole squared, minus the constant. Now the constant is plus 9, so minus of this, so square root of 25 minus 9, so this is going to be square root of 16 equals to 4. Done. The coordinate of the point at which the circle crosses the x-axis. So crosses the x-axis means where does the picture cut the x-axis? So at x-axis y equals to 0. That means x squared plus 0 squared minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. So x squared minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. Let's do middle term break. 9 ones are 9, so we need minus 10x, so minus 9x minus x plus 9 equals to 0. So if you take x common, it will be x minus 9. If you take 1 common, minus 1 common, x minus 9, so it will be x minus 9, x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 9 or x equals to 1. So when you have to find the where does it cut the x-axis, remember they ask for the coordinates. Be careful whether they ask for the x-axis or the coordinates. So the answer would be in this format, otherwise you will not get the A1 marks. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. You don't need to find it, because at the x-axis y equals to 0 and 9 and 0. So that's the sum. The next one, given that the line L has gradient 7 by 2, is a tangent to the circle and that it touches the circle at the point T. So find an equation of the line which passes through A and T. So one thing you have to know is about basic geometry. This sum deals with basic geometry. Now this is going to be, if you have a circle and the center of the circle is A, which is 5, 0, and you have a tangent at the point T, so this is the tangent. So the basic geometry is the radius of the circle and the tangent makes 90 degree. That's the basic geometry. So the first thing that you have to do in order to find the gradient of the line that passes through AT, you have to remember that the gradient of the tangent is given and the gradient is 7 by 2. The line L with gradient 7 by 2 is a tangent to the circle. So this tangent has a gradient 7 by 2. So we can write gradient of tangent is 7 by 2. Then you can write gradient of AT, which is the radius. You can write this is the radius. This is perpendicular, so negative reciprocal, so minus 1 by 7 by 2, which becomes minus 2 by 7. So we know the gradient of the line that passes through AT as minus 2 by 7, and we can easily do this sum. So equation of AT line, it is going to be y minus y1, which is 0 because it is passes through the point A, 5, 0, minus 2 by 7, x minus x1 is going to be 5. So this will be 7y equals to minus 2x plus 10.